You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this originally French name correctly. From chemistry, by the way, if you want to learn more names from science and chemistry, other chemists, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The French pronunciation, his name was Victor is Grignard. That's the French pronunciation. Yes, you've heard it, the D is silent, Grignard. Now, if you don't want to say Grignard with the French R, you can say Grignard, as in the Grignard reaction or Grignard reagent. Now, in the US, more commonly, it's also pronounced as Grignard. Now, it can also be pronounced Grignard in the UK, but I think the Americans say Grignard reaction more commonly. Should be Grignard, really. Yes, Grignard is a bit better, more correct pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.